Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Season's greetings and all that razzma jazz. Welcome to another 1 minute of motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. Now, I would love to welcome you, so why not come over to the calendar at ldlcall.com, book your free call. I'll be calling you back when it's good for you. Let's talk soon, but first, here is today's quote. Wake up and smell the inspiration. Good morning, world. Rise and shine out of your pits and take a deep breath. Now, can you smell it? Can you smell the inspiration in the air right now? It's another brand new day full of excitement, possibilities, and opportunities just waiting for you to go and take advantage of. Good luck.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.